Real estate has always been a recession-proof, maybe depression-proof investment. Why? Because it's the kind of property that you cannot take away from its position. It is an immovable property, and you own not just the physical land and aspect of real estate, but also all the rights and interest that is included in that real estate. That's why from 100 years ago up to now, it has always been the kind of investment that rich and wealthy people always go to. It's like their number one, and all other things just come next, right? Hey guys, Nicole here, your go-to Bulacan realtor, and we are here in Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. If you are thinking which location you should invest in the area of Bulacan, you might want to consider Loma de Gato, part of Marilao. Why? Because number one, it's very strategic in terms of location, because it is located literally across Muzon, San Jose del Monte. Boundary lang po siya. In fact, doon nga ako nanggaling. Like, literally 1 to 2 minutes drive. Muzon, San Jose, Loma de Gato, which is ito nga, Amaresa. And at the same time, boundary na rin siya ng North Caloocan. Just imagine this location, Amaresa subdivision, is very close to San Jose del Monte, to Santa Maria, to QC, to Manila, to Caloocan, North Caloocan, and then Fairview. May shortcut nga dyan sa Harmony, guys. Pag nag-drive ako papuntang SM Fairview or Terraces or Novaliches or Commonwealth, doon na yung daan. From here, like 35 minutes drive to SM Fairview. Ang daan mo, North Caloocan, yung bagong silang, Zabarte Road or Maligaya, ayan. O, diba? If you are familiar with the areas I'm talking about, siguro mas nakaka-relate kayo. Pero if not, no problem. At least I'm telling you that yes, it is a very strategic location. Kaya ngayong March, summertime na po, 'di ba? Whether you are enjoying there abroad, you are outside the Philippines, you are in the Philippines, you are welcome to own a house here in Amaresa, Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan, because we also have online reservation process that I can send you the map. Kahit ka nasa Pilipinas ka, pero alam mo yung, I'm so busy and I'm so lazy to go out kasi nga mainit na talaga, 'di ba? Pero kung magpapatripping ka sa akin, Monday to Friday, okay ako ng umaga. Kapag ka weekend ngayon kasi medyo busy lang talaga ako, pero pag weekend, I can do on a Saturday, like this March, ng between 1 to 3 p.m. Yung mga ganun. Yun, yung mga ganong schedule, guys. Okay? The most important thing na dapat mong malaman pag nagtitripping, bawal mag-walk-in. So, my Viber and WhatsApp number, just contact me first. Magpa-schedule ka sa akin at least 1 to 2 days before para makapag-schedule tayo at mag-book kita sa aking calendar. So, ganun siya, guys. Today, I'm going to give you our update for Area Prime model, most recent house tour, and of course, some new updates and updated sample computation, and all that, guys. So, join me today. Look at the stunning exterior front view of Area Prime. And so, yung kanyang floor and lot area showing on the screen, guys. Okay? So, lang ipakita sa inyo. So, ito kasi ay, ang category nito, ito yung tinatawag nating single attached. Ano ba ang single attached? Pag sinabi mong attached, ikaw ay mayroong firewall. Yung bahay, yung unit, may firewall. Kaya nga siya attached Kasi ito, di ba, this is the firewall. So, kaya siya tinawag na single attached because the unit is attached to the firewall. Naintindihan po ba natin? Kapag kasi single detached, iba kasi yung detached. Ito kasi yung parang misconception minsan ng mga home buyers. They thought it's the same. Single attached and single detached, hindi sila parehas. Kasi nga sa spelling pa nga lang magkaiba na, diba guys? Yon. So, syempre, pag detached, walang firewall. Ibig sabihin, yung harap mo, left and right mo, is lupa, napapaligiran ng lupa. But in this case, ang tawag natin dito sa model na area, ang tawag dito ay single attached. dahil may firewall attached to the firewall. So, meaning to say, pag minimum lot area ang kinuha, magpapa-extend ka. For example, magpapalagay ka ng gate and fence. Ito yan. Dito yan magsisimula. Pag ganyan. Tapos, yan. Yan yung pinaka-end niya dito. Ito yung garden space. Tapos, didiretso mo dito yung iyong gate and fence. Hanapin natin yung kanyang muhon. Ito yung muhon niya. So, ito yung property line. Ayan, diretsuhin mo yan hanggang doon. Yan, pag nilagyan mo ng gate and fence. So, yan yung backyard. Ito ang napakaganda mong car garage, carport. Na may bubong na kasi yun na yung sa kanyang balcony na maluwag. Let's go inside, guys! There you have it, the beautiful and the stunning Aria Prime model, the most affordable and beautiful single attached that you can find here in the area of Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. Ayan lang naman si ating Aria Prime. So, syempre, dressed up model to, diba? Hindi kasama yung gamit sa turnover. Ang turnover niya ay complete finished, meaning to say, naka-tiles na siya ng maganda, naka-ceiling na, naka-paint na, naka-partition na, may fixtures na. Gamit na lang po ang kulang pag lumipat ka. So, here, pagpasok mo, yan ang bubungad sa'yo. Pwede ka naman maglagay ng TV dito. Or kung ayaw mo, gayahin mo to, yung kabilang space niya dito, ay dito niya nilagay yung kanyang entertainment area. Yan, oh. Yan, ganyan. Ganito ang itsura ni Aria Prime. Pagpasok, may bubungad sa'yo dyan. Tapos, meron pa dito. Kung gagawin mo tong rooms, up to you. Pero, ganyan. Yan. Kasi nga, meron tayong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. So, may 3 bedrooms sa taas. Pag ito, ginawa mo pang room, o 4 na. Depende na lang sa iyo kung paano mo i-design yung interior mo. So, you can put 4 to 6-seater dining table over this side. And of course, this is gonna be your kitchen area, your backdoor access. And of course, pwede mo yan maging laundry area, service area, ayan, di ba? Pag pina-enclose mo na yan. And of course, you're beautiful. First toilet and shower na hindi po kasama yung malaking salamin na yan. Sa model lang yan, ha? So, ang kasama dyan, syempre, ayan, nakatiles na siya. May mga fixtures na, ayan, toilet fixtures. Yan, tawag dyan. Kasama na po yan sa turnover. At maganda na po talaga yung design ng iyong toilet and shower kay Aria Prime model, diba? Winner na talaga kay Aria Prime. At syempre, ang luwag ng mo dito, space mo sa hagdan. O, nakapaglagay pa nga siya ng long chair, diba? O, at saka painting na malaki. Ayan, o, diba? O, gawin mo tong storage. Yan, pa-customize mo. So, ganito na yung turnover ng ating stairs for Aria Prime. Meron ka ditong window. Syempre, let's go upstairs. Ayan. Para full of natural light. Kaya meron tayo dito window design dyan sa wall na yan along the stairs. And of course, ito yung magiging hallway niya. This is your access to the balcony area. But before that, let's go to the bedrooms first. So, ayan, diba? From the stairs, bedroom 1. Maluwag tong bedroom 1. Pwede dito ang double size bed. At ang bedroom 2, nakapaglagay pa sila ng double deck. Kaya pwede siya up to family of 6. Ay, wow! Bakit nandito si Punch? Hello, Punch! Wow! Oh, how cute! Punch, what are you doing here? I thought you're in Japan. Cute naman ni Punch. Wait. Hi, Punch. Don't punch me. Ayan, guys. Let's go to the master's bedroom. Your master's bedroom, pwede ang double bed or queen size. And your toilet and shower. Number 2. So, hindi mo na kailangan bumaba. Meron ka ng magandang bathroom sa second floor. There you have it. Let's go to the balcony na napaka-spacious. Itong balcony na to, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano yung kalaki, guys, ha? Kung gaano kaluwag tong balcony na to. Itong balcony na to, pwede mo yan palagyan ng polycarbonate roof. O, magandang design yon. Siyempre, para hindi masyadong mainit. And then at the same time, pwede ka maglagay ng mga plants dyan. Kung gusto mo, kung may party kayo, sige, dala ka ng malaking inflatable pool. Mag-swimming ng mga bagets, mga kiddos. Ayan. O kaya mag-barbecue party kayo. Ayan. O kung ano man ang gusto mong gawin dito, pag New Year, o ayan, dito ka quitties. Ayan, guys, in your balcony area. Very stunning. Dito lang yan guys sa Amaresa. Dito lang yan sa ating Aria Prime model. Let's go downstairs and talk about what's up for Aria Prime model. Okay? So first and foremost, ayan guys, Aria Prime model, sample computation muna tayo, okay? Yan, pinapakita ko sa screen yung kanyang sample computation. Nakikita nyo naman, very affordable kasi yung required down payment natin pwedeng 10% kasi bank financing po tayo dito, 20 to 30 years yung ating bangko, okay? Nakikita mo sa sample computation na dahil pre-selling po tayo, walang required cash out. Hindi mo kailangan magbayad ng malaki. Kailangan mo lang mag-reserve ng 20,000 kapag nakapili ka na ng yung black and lot number na isi-secure natin at yung initial requirements na kapag pasa ka na. And at the same time, guys, after 1 month, mag-uumpisa na ang iyong down payment na pwede mong bayaran up to 24 months nang walang interest rate. Kaya afford na afford. Kung gusto mo naman na mapababa pa, nakita nyo yung estimated bank amortization, kung nalalakihan ka dyan, don't worry. Pwede mo namang mapaliit yan, diba? Bago ipasok sa loan, if you wanna cash out kay developer, diba? Pwede mo namang kausapin si developer para mapaliit ang iyong loanable balance at the end of the 24 months. And at the same time, ayan yung kanyang required income. Pwede yung solo income or pwede rin combined income if you are married, if you are partners, if you are siblings or parents with your parents, depends. So, ganun po siya, guys, okay? So, yung terms natin dyan, naka-maximum terms yan kay bank, alright? So, that's our bank sample computation. Disclaimer, wala po tayong pag-ibig. Pwede ang in-house financing, pero mataas na po ang in-house financing, okay? Kung yun talaga yung gusto mo, siguro ano lang yun, pang backup lang. Mas maganda pa rin bank financing, okay? So, ayan po si bank financing sample computation for Aria Prime. So, baka naman sabihin mo, paano kung hindi ako pumasa sa bank? Diba? Yun yung mga tinatanong sa akin ng mga clients kadalasan. Well guys, hindi naman po secret, hindi naman po tinatago ni bank ang kanilang requirements. Kahit nga i-search mo yan online, makikita mo. Ano ba? Paano ka ba maa-approve sa bank? Well, kung ikaw ay may proof of income, at pasok naman, ba't ka naman hindi ma-approve? Unless may makita si bank kapag nag-CI sila na meron ka palang canceled card na hindi nabayaran in the past, credit cards na malaking utang, baka meron kang 500,000 or 1 million or 2 million na ginamit sa credit card na hindi mo binayaran in the past. Naku po, makikita pa rin po nila yan. Madidisapprove ka unless magpakita ka ng proof na nabayaran mo na yon. In short, kung hindi ka naman ganong klaseng utangera na hindi nagbabayad sa mga bangko, wala ka namang kailangan ipangamba. Siyempre, papasa ka sa bank financing. Ano pa ba yung possible reason? O yung mga nagkaroon ng mga nahatakan ng bahay, ng real estate property, or nahatakan ng sasakyan in the past, yun, medyo tagilid tayo dun. Kaya ka na lang siguro, mag-in-house ka or mag-cash payment ka or mag-deferred payment ka kung sakaling may mga ganun kang issue sa buhay. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin, hindi ka na pwedeng makabili ng bahay. Ibig sabihin lang, limited lang yung mga option mo in terms of payment. Kasi nga, kapag bank yan, syempre, you have to follow the bank procedures. Tama po ba? Pero yun nga, for sure naman siguro, no, karamihan sa inyo, wala naman sigurong mga ganung klaseng issue sa bangko. Kaya, you should be good. For sure. Sa tingin ko naman, I'm very optimistic na you would pass kasi andyan naman yung ating required income at kung wala ka namang issue sa bangko. O, diba guys? Ayan, ako lang ang nagsasabi niyan sa inyo. Tama ba? Because others won't even bother to explain those. But the reason I'm saying that is because I have been doing this for the past few years and of course, ayaw ka naman yung magre-reserve ka lang or mag-DP ka lang tapos hindi ka mati-take out. Importante sa akin na ma-loan take out ka. Syempre, ganun yun, di ba? Kung hindi wala yung kabuhayan, pag hindi ka na loan take out. Di ba guys? Ganun siya. So, very important yun. Alright? So, ano ba yung mga initial requirements na nabanggit ko? Ayan, you just have to prepare those initial requirements. Siguro naman meron ka niyan. Simple lang naman yan. Napakadali lang naman yan. Tao ka naman, di ba? So, for sure ako, meron ka niyan. Ano namang wala ka niyan? Nasaan ka bang planeta pag wala ka niyan? Very, lang yan, basic at initial requirements lang yan. And again, kung gusto mo nang mabilisan na makapili ka na kagad sa mapa bago pa maubos dahil our inventory is selling fast. each day. So, kontakin mo na kaagad ako sa aking Viber and WhatsApp number. Send ko sa iyo yung mapapili ka na, transfer ka na direct sa bank account ni developer at makapag-reserve na tayo, di ba? Pwede mo namang sagutan yung forms via email. Pero kung taga dito ka lang naman, malapit ka lang naman, why not? Mag-schedule ka sa akin, mag-tripping tayo, mag-viewing tayo, nang ma-meet kita at ma-picturean kita sa labas ni Aria Prime. Ayaw mo ba? Gusto mo ba yun? Wow! Diba guys? That's all you need to know. And if you have any other questions, just contact me. Pwede dito ang mga VA at freelancers ha, by the way, bago ko makalimutan. Basta kung iloloan niya sa bank, ang matitira ay 3 million kung ayaw mo mag-submit ng ITR. Kasi may iba mga ganun, ayaw mag-ITR. O kung ayaw mag-ITR, ayan, ang sabi ni bank, basta 3 million pababa ang iloloan, okay lang, walang ITR. Pero kung mas mataas pa dyan, kailangan mo ng ITR. Kaya kung may ITR ka naman, yung klase ng freelancers, remote workers, VA na may ITR, then wala kang problema. Kahit magkano yung i-loan mo, basta pasok sa income, push na push tayo dyan. Okay? I hope we are clear. Kasi, di ba, clear naman. Pero kung medyo confused ka pa rin, tanungin mo lang ako. Kontakin mo lang ako, okay? And of course, the most important thing is don't ever, ever, ever forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing updates. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.